Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's look will be this beautiful thick eyeliner. You can carry this universal eyeliner look with a nude lips and a bright lips. So yeah, if you're ready, let's begin. First of all, I'll hydrate my face with this Body Shop Oils of Life, and it's a very important step to hydrate your face first before any makeup. I'll be using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer to minimize any kind of pores and fine lines. To correct my face, I'll be using this NYX Contour Corrector palette, and I'll be using the orange corrector from the palette and will apply all over the dark circles and wherever I have some blemishes or red skin. It helps to enhance your skin if you have any kind of pigmentation. For the foundation, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Flawless Base Stick Foundation in the shade F10, and I'll apply some strokes all over my face and then blend it with the Damn Beauty blender. And it's a very good and breathable kind of foundation if you're looking for one of them. Always make sure that you're taking your foundation to the neckline, that way your face and neck matches to each other. Moving on to the concealer, I'll be using my favorite L.A Girl Pro HD concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'll apply it on my usual areas. To highlight my face, I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Long Wear Concealer in the shade 312, and I'm just applying it under my eyes, around the mouth, nose and the forehead, just to brighten up that area. Recently, I have started my channel both in English and Hindi, so let me know in the comment section below which language you prefer. For my eyebrows, I'll be using this NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and it has these two sides. One is the spoolie and other one is the pencil. So I'll just be applying little amount of it on the sparse areas and will fill in the gaps. And then I'll just brush my eyebrows upwards to evenly distribute the product. To set my brows, I'll be using this Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow Gel in the shade number 4.5. Moving on to setting that concealer, I will be using this Faces Canada Compact Powder in the shade Natural 02, and I'll set the areas wherever I have applied the concealer. And this is a very affordable and good compact powder, so you can buy this compact powder from Nykaa.com. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using this Tarte Tease eyeshadow palette and taking that dark brown color and will apply all over my eyelid just to give some depth to my eyes. Today I'm not going very crazy with the eyeshadows. For the eyeliner, I'll be using this NYX Professional Epic Disco Eyeliner, and if you are a beginner, then always start with a pen eyeliner because they are very easy to apply and you will get a good hold of it. So here you can see I'm just drawing a wing outside my eyelid and trying to create a wing from outside to inside and just filling up that gaps. Doing eyeliner is not that difficult, it just you need a little practice, and liquid eyeliners are little bit tricky, so I always recommend to start with a pen eyeliner. So here I'm just trying to thicken my eyeliner the way I want it to be, and here I'm just creating a little wing at the inner corner of my eyes just to give that dramatic effect to my eyes. So I'm done with the eyeliner, and here you can see the inner wing and the outer wing both are aligned to each other. Moving on to the bronzer, I will be using my favorite Too Faced dark chocolate bronzer, and I'm applying it on my usual areas, that is hollows of the cheek, forehead, my jawline, and also on my nose. To curl my eyelashes, I will be using this Vega eyelash curler, and this will make your eyelashes more beautiful. For the mascara, I'm using this Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and it's a travel friendly size. For the blush, I will be using this L'Oreal Paris blush in the shade Play With Me, and today I'm applying it on the highest points of my cheeks just to uplift my face. For the highlighter, I'm using this Laura Geller highlighter, and it's in the shade Glided Honey, and I'm applying it on the usual areas, that is the cheekbones, nose, my brow bone, and the cupid's bow. Now it's time to set your face. For that, I'm using this Faces Canada Makeup Pro Fixer. For the lips, I will be using this Maybelline Lip Gradation in the shade Mauve 1. As I already told you that I will be showing you with two lip colors. So this one is the mauve shade, and look how beautiful it is going with that epic eyeliner look. So that completes my look with the nude lipstick, and let me show you with the bright lipstick too. For that, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Founder, and the number is 115. And you can definitely carry this eyeliner look with the bold lips. And look who's here. He's Arav, and he just woke up from a nap, and he's saying hi to everyone. So yeah, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If yes, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.